Hey guys, I'm sure you might have never tried this bread before. This is a super soft and spongy without maida, and here I have used one secret ingredient which helps in brain health, eye health, cures constipation. It has lots of health benefits from kids to the adults. So without any delay, we'll start the process. Here you can see its texture it is super soft and very spongy. For this you have to activate the yeast by adding warm water, sugar and the 1 tablespoon of dry yeast and rest it for 15 minutes. Now boil the sweet potato. This is the main ingredient and which has lots of health benefits. So steam it and mash it with the help of fork or masher. Now take a bowl, add 1 cup of wheat flour. Here this cup is half cup, so that's why I have added 2 half cups of wheat flour and little bit of salt and the sugar. Since this is sweet bread, so you have to add the sugar, but be careful because already we have added while activating the yeast, so add it accordingly. Now add the mashed sweet potato mixture. So there should not be any lumps in this mixture, so that our dough will be perfect after kneading. Now add the yeast little by little. Don't add at a time. So gently mix with your fingers. Now knead the dough as shown in the video. The dough should be very soft, then only you will get soft and super spongy bread. So this bread is very healthy. You also try at your home and give it to your kids. I am sure they are gonna love it and they will ask you to make again and again. So this is very healthy option for the bread lovers. So now knead the dough. Here it took around 5 to 6 minutes to knead the dough. Now finally add some oil and make a ball shape. So this is the perfect consistency. Now cover it and rest it in warm place for 1 to 1.5 hour. Now here you can see after 1 hour it has doubled its size. Now take any silicone mat or rolling mat. Now apply some oil. Now again knead the dough for 5 to 6 minutes. So now slowly roll it. Here you have to make 3 folds. So this is the first fold. Now again roll it. This bread will not even make 30 minutes to make. So this is the second fold. Now again roll it in a rectangular shape. If the dough is sticky, you have to apply some oil to the rolling pin. Now this is the third fold. Now roll it again. Here you can see it's getting stick, so I have applied some more oil to the rolling pin so that we can easily roll it. Now you have to make very thin circle. Now fold it as shown in the video. Now pinch it to seal the bread. Now cut into the pieces. If the dough is sticking to the knife, so that's why I have applied some oil to the knife. and cut into the thickness you want. Now take a cake tin and place the dough in this and rest it for 30 minutes. So here you can see after 30 minutes it has doubled its size. Now apply some milk on the dough and sprinkle some flax seeds. You can even use white sesame seeds. Here I have used flax seeds. Now bake at 170 degrees in the preheated oven for 20 minutes and enjoy.